Good afternoon, guys. Today we are discussing the topic transient response of RL series circuit with a DC excitation. So, in the second unit, only six concepts. First one is the transient response of RL series circuit with a DC excitation. Second one, transient response of RC series circuit with a DC excitation. Transient response of RLC series circuit with DC excitation. So in the AC supply, derive the transient response of RL, RC, RLC circuit, and the AC excitation derive the transient responses of RL, RC, RLC series circuits. Okay, so first today we are discussing the topic transient response of RL series circuit with DC excitation. Okay, first finding the response of series RL circuit. So this is DC excitation, DC supply. So in the DC supply, there are two signs, positive sign and negative sign. This is positive supply, this is negative supply. So in the DC excitation, positive and negative is compulsory connecting. Okay, this is voltage source, positive supply, negative supply. This is the switch t equal to 0 at open and close. This is the switch condition. This is R resistor. This is inductor L. Okay, so RL series circuit. So RL series circuit, resistor and inductor is connecting the series connection. This is supply, DC supply, positive and negative. This is the switch, connecting switch. This is resistor, this is inductor. Okay, so in the above circuit, the switch was kept open up to t equal to 0. Okay, so this is open condition and closed condition. In the open condition, the DC voltage source having voltage is not connected to the series RL series circuit up to this instant. Therefore there is no initial current flowing through the inductor. So ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, in the resistor and inductor is connecting. This is the switch. This switch is open up to t equal to 0 and it was closed at t is not equal to 0 or t equal to 0. So the DC voltage source having volts is not connected to the series circuit up to this instant. Therefore, there is no initial current flow through the inductor. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, so the switch is open, there is no voltage is flowing through the circuit. Antena, this the switch is closed in the short circuit t equal to 0. This is open circuit. Okay, and the voltage is not flowing through the inductor. In the switch is closed, the voltage is flowing through the circuit. Okay, when the switch is closed position. ఓకే, సో మనం స్విచ్ అనేది క్లోజ్డ్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే కరెంట్ అనేది ఫ్లో అయ్యిద్ది. సో ఇన్ ద ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫ్లోయింగ్, కరెంట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫ్లోయింగ్. ఓకే, స్విచ్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఎట్ పొజిషన్, ద కరెంట్ ఈస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద రెసిస్టర్ అండ్ ద ఇండక్టర్. నో ద కరెంట్, సో ఇన్ ద స్విచ్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఎట్ t equal to 0. Now the current I flows in the entire circuit since the DC voltage source having V volts is connected to the series RL circuit. Okay na? So I అనేది current flows through the entire circuit since the DC voltage source having V volts is connected to the series RL circuit. Now apply KVL around this loop. So apply KVL. So what is KVL? Voltage across the parameters. You are apply the KVL in the any loop, voltage across the resistor, voltage across the inductor, voltage across the capacitor. Okay, so voltage across the inductor, what is the voltage across the inductor? V is equal to I into R, current R into I. Okay, voltage across the resistor, V is equal to IR. So in the voltage, V is equal to R into I, plus in the inductor is connecting voltage across the inductor, L into di by dt. Voltage across the resistor, R into I. Voltage across the inductor, L into di by dt. అంతేనమ్మా, R into I plus L into di by dt. So you are derive the transient response of first order differential equation. So మనం derive చేయాలంటే order equation, so you are only taking from the first order differential equation or second order differential equation. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కైనా సరే మనం రెస్పాన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అయినా మాత్రమే మనం రెస్పాన్స్ అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈక్వేషన్ వి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ ఇంటూ ఐ ప్లస్ ఎల్ ఇంటూ డిఐ బై డిటి ఉంది. సో ఈ దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లోకి రాసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ మనకి, డిఐ బై డిటి. సో డిఐ బై డిటి ప్లస్ what is the constant value in the first order differential equation, L. So you are divided by L. So V by L, R by L into I plus L by L. So L cancel. So di by dt plus R by L into I is equal to V by L. Clear all of you? So first apply KVL at first loop. V is equal to R into I plus L into di by dt. So voltage across resistor, R into I. Voltage across inductor, L into di by dt. Voltage across capacitor, 1 by C integral I dt. So all of you clear in the KVL, apply KVL. So R, voltage across resistor, Ri. Voltage across inductor, L into dA by dt. Voltage across capacitor, 1 by C integral I dt. Okay, so the above equation is a first order differential equation and it is in the form of dy by dt plus py is equal to q. So dy by dt plus py is equal to q. So you, in the last year you all are already derived these first order differential equations in the mathematical one. So M1 లో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం చేసాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సో ఇన్ ద హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. So compared equation 1 and equation 2. So all are compared 1 and 2 equations. Di by dt plus R by L into I is equal to V by L, first equation. Second equation, dy by dt plus py is equal to Q. Okay, so dy by dt. So in the first equation di by dt, y is equal to I. Y place లో ఏముంది, ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1. సో y is equal to I రాశాను. నెక్స్ట్ p, r by l, I వాల్యూ ఎంతమ్మా ఇక్కడ, y. సో y is equal to I, p value is equal to r by l, and the q value is equal to v by l. So all of you see this first order differential equation. So all are doing in the mathematics 1 లో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ చూసారు. So what is the first order differential equation? dy by dt plus py is equal to q. Compared equation 1 and equation 2, y is equal to I. అంతేనమ్మా. So y is equal to I and P is equal to R by L, Q is equal to V by L. రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ కంపేర్ చేసా, ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఏమున్నాయో రాసి. నెక్స్ట్, ద సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, what is the solution for homogeneous equation? Tell me, what is the solution for homogeneous equation? So the homogeneous equation solution, y into e power p dx, y into e power p dx is equal to integral q into e power p dx plus k equal to k. Y e power p dx is equal to integral q e power p dx plus k, where k is the constant. Substitute the values. So in this first order differential equation solution, y is substitute, p is substitute, x is substitute, q is substitute. All the values you are substituting in the equation number 3. What is the y value? So ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. What is the y value? I. What is the x value? T. What is the p value? R by L. What is the q value? V by L. Substitute these four, x, y, p, q in the equation number 3. Equation number 3 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. y is equal to I e power r, p value ఎంత r by L into dt is equal to integral v by L, q value is v by L into e power r by L dt into dt plus k. Okay, so I integral any constant, so r by L is constant, so r by L is taking I e r by L integral dt. What is the value of integral dx? Integral dx is x. So integral dt. So your integration between t. So t. V by L is constant. V by L integral e power r by L into t dt plus k. Okay. So in this equation is solved. I is equal to VR plus k into e power minus r by L into t. ఓకేనమ్మా. సో మనం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు left side, so I is common in the first term and second term, VR plus k into e power minus r by L into t. So we know that there is no initial current in the circuit. So first మనం సర్క్యూట్ కనెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు there is no initial current in the circuit. Initial గా కరెంట్ అనేది ఏమీ ఉండదు. Okay, so hence substitute t equal to 0 and I equal to 0. So t value is taking from 0, I value is taking from 0. So 0 is equal to v by r plus k into e power minus r by L into 0. So in the second term is completely 1. E power కాబట్టి e power 0 ఎంత 1. So k into 1. So k value is minus v by r. So k value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? Minus v by r. Substitute this equation. So I is equal to equation 4 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నా. Equation 4 substitute in the k value. I is equal to v by r plus minus v by r into e power minus r by L into t. Okay, so I current value ఎంత వచ్చింది? v by r minus v by r into e power minus r by L into t. Okay, Therefore, the current flowing through the circuit, what is the current flowing through the circuit? I is equal to minus V by R into e power minus R by L into T plus V by R. So the response of the series RL circuit when it is excited by a DC voltage source has the following two terms. So manaki in the DC voltage is apply voltage, and in connecting in the resistor and inductor in series connection, there is two terms are the total response. First term is minus V by R e power minus R by L into T. This is the transient response. సో ఈ పవర్ టర్మ్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మనం ట్రాన్షియంట్ రెస్పాన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్? V by R. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈక్వేషన్ 5, I is equal to minus V by R e power minus R by L into T plus V by R ఉంది కరెంట్. సో ద టోటల్ సప్లై కరెంట్ minus V by R e power minus R by L into T plus V by R. Okay, so this one is first term and the second term is V by R. So the first term is called transient response. Second term is called steady state response. So in the e power terms, in the exponential term, e power term means exponential term. So in the there is any exponential term in the equation which is called transient response. Okay, so another term is steady state response. Okay, these two responses are shown in the figure. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. So it is 0 to minus V by R e power exponential term, it is will be increasing. సో ఈ రెస్పాన్స్లో ఎక్కడైతే రెస్పాన్స్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందో, తర్వాత ఎక్కడైతే స్టడీ స్టేట్గా ఉంటుందో దాన్ని స్టడీ స్టేట్ రెస్పాన్స్ అంటాం. ఎక్కడైతే రెస్పాన్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని ట్రాన్షియంట్ రెస్పాన్స్ అంటాం. సో 0 to this one is called the transient response. Remaining response is steady state response. Okay, we can rewrite the equation 5 as follow. So I is equal to V by R into 1 minus e power minus R by L into T. So what is R by L? So where tau is the time constant and its value is equal to L by R. So L by R is you assuming tau. What is the tau value? L by R. Tau is the time constant. Equation 5 and equation 6 are same. So equation 5, this is R by L equation, this is tau equation. R by L equation and tau equation both are same. But we can easily understand the above waveform of current flowing through the circuit from equation 6 by substituting the few values of t like 0, tau, 2 tau, 3 tau, 4 tau, 5 tau, etc. So in the tau value is cancelled. So e power minus 1, e power minus 2, e power minus 3, e power minus 4 ఇలా మనం ఈజీగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం in the time constant tau we are assuming. In the above waveform of current flowing through the circuit, the transient response will present up to 5 time constants from the 0, whereas the steady state response will present from 5 time constant onwards. Okay, so this is the transient response of DC excitation. Okay, so series RL circuit. So I will explain again 5 minutes. This is RL series circuit. So in this unit, only 6 concepts. Derive the transient response of RL series circuit with DC excitation. So in the DC excitation, you are derive the transient response of RL, RC, RLC series circuit. Okay, so you are derive only series circuits and derive the transient response of AC excitation. So you are connecting the supply, DC supply and AC supply. So DC supply you are given to the circuit, series RL, series RC and series RLC. And the AC excitation, series RL, series RC, series RLC circuit. Okay, so only changing the excitation, you are giving the supply in the DC supply and either AC supply. Okay, so in the above speak circuit, this is RL series circuit, this is DC excitation, DC supply. So DC supply, positive terminal and negative terminal. So supply is connecting positive supply and negative supply. Only positive supply and negative supply. So this is the connecting switch T at 0, R resistor, L inductor, RL series circuit. In the above circuit, the switch was kept open up to T equal to 0. So T equal to 0 up to open and it was closed at T equal to 0. So in the switch is closed, the current flowing through the RL series circuit, switch is open, there is no initial current flows through the resistor and inductor. Okay, so now the current I flows in the entire circuit in the close the switch. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి స్విచ్ is క్లోజ్ చేసేసి. Okay, so switch is closed, the current is flowing through the circuit. Since the DC voltage source having V volts is connected to the series RL circuit. Next, now apply KVL at the loop. This is the initial apply voltage. V is equal to voltage across the resistor, voltage across the inductor. What is the value of voltage across the resistor? Voltage across the resistor, V is equal to R into I. Voltage across the inductor, V is equal to L into di by dt. Voltage across the capacitor, V is equal to 1 by C integral I dt. So in this circuit is connecting only two parameters, only resistor and inductance. V is equal to R into I plus L into di by dt. Okay, so you are derive the transient response or steady state response in any excitation. So first, you know, in the first order differential equation, మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మాత్రం కావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏముంది, డిఐ బై డిటి. సో ఇక్కడ డిఐ బై డిటి అమ్మా, సో మిస్టేక్ పడింది. సో డిఐ బై డిటి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ డిఐ బై డిటి? ఎల్. సో ఎల్ తోటి మొత్తం డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. వి బై ఎల్, ఆర్ బై ఎల్, ఎల్ బై ఎల్, ఎల్ బై ఎల్, ఎల్ బై ఎల్ cancel, R by L into I is equal to V by L. Okay, so the above equation is a first order differential equation and it is in the form of, so what is the form of first order differential equation? dy by dt plus py is equal to q. dy by dt plus py is equal to q. So compare equation 1 and equation 2. y is, y ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ I, x ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ t, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. x ప్లేస్ లో ఏముందమ్మా t, y ప్లేస్ లో I, p is equal to r by l, q is equal to v by l. అంతేనా? రెండు కంపేర్ చేశాను. సో ఆల్రెడీ మీరు M1 లో చూసారు ఇవన్నీ, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సొల్యూషన్స్, హోమోజీనియస్, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్. So what is the solution for homogeneous equation? Y e power p dx is equal to integral q e power p dx into dx plus k. Okay, so where k is the constant, so మనకి y is equal to తెలుసు, p వాల్యూ తెలుసు, x వాల్యూ తెలుసు, q వాల్యూ తెలుసు, p వాల్యూ తెలుసు, x వాల్యూ తెలుసు. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆల్ ద వాల్యూస్. ఎలా తెలుసు మనకి? రెండు కంపేర్ చేసాం. x వాల్యూ కంపేర్ చేసాం, x వాల్యూ అండ్ y వాల్యూ, p వాల్యూ, q వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసాం. So substitute all the values x, y, p and q. Substitute all the values. So I is equal to v by r plus k into e power minus r by l into t వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ని ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడే దేర్ ఈజ్ నో ఫ్లోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఇనిషియల్ కరెంట్. ఓకే, సో కరెంట్ అనేది ఫ్లో అవ్వదు. ఫ్లో అవ్వలేదంటే ఏంటి? I ఈక్వల్ టు 0, t ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ I వాల్యూ అండ్ t వాల్యూ ఇన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 4. వాట్ ఎల్స్? 0 ఈక్వల్ టు v by r plus k into e power minus r by l into 0. What is the value of k? Minus v by r. Substitute the value of k in equation 4. I is equal to v by r plus minus v by r into e power minus r by l into t. So I value is v by r minus v by r into e power minus r by l into t. In the first term is v by r, second term is minus v by r. Okay, so the current flowing through the circuit, I is equal to minus v by r, sorry, v by r minus v by r into e power minus r by l into t. So ఇది కంప్లీట్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లోయింగ్ త్రూ ద సర్క్యూట్. కంప్లీట్గా కరెంట్ అనేది ఫ్లో అయిన సర్క్యూట్ ఇది. సో ద రెస్పాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సిరీస్ RL circuit when it is excited by a DC voltage source has the following two terms. సో ఏదైనా సరే DC వోల్టేజ్ సప్లై కానీ AC వోల్టేజ్ సప్లై కానీ ఏ వోల్టేజ్ సప్లై ఇచ్చినప్పుడైనా సరే కానీ ఎగ్జైటెడ్ బై ఏ RL సర్క్యూట్, RC సర్క్యూట్, RLC సర్క్యూట్, ఏ సర్క్యూట్ అయినా సరే, సో దేర్ ఈస్ టూ రెస్పాన్సెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. First one is transient response, second one is steady state response. Okay, so in the transient response, first term is in the exponential term. సో మనకి ఏ టర్మ్ అయినా సరేనమ్మా ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ టర్మ్ వస్తే దాన్ని మనం ట్రాన్షియంట్ రెస్పాన్స్ అంటాం. సో ఈక్వేషన్లో మనకి ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ టర్మ్ ఏముంది? మైనస్ వి బై ఆర్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఆర్ బై ఎల్ ఇంటూ టీ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ టర్మ్. And what is the steady state response? V by R is steady state response. The second term V by R corresponds with the steady state response. These two responses are shown in following figure. So this is the time period. This is flowing through the current I, V by R. So in the exponential term will be increasing or moving from the upper and lower. This is transient response. Steady state response means, సో సర్టైన్ పీరియడ్ వరకు ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉందనుకోండి, దాన్నే స్టడీ స్టేట్ రెస్పాన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో the equation is rewritten as I is equal to R by L. So L by R, you are assuming time constant tau. So where tau is the time constant and its value is equal to L by R. So tau ante enta? L by R. So compared both 5 and 6 equations are same, but we can easily understand the above equation, above waveform of current flowing through the circuit. So ikkada chudandi amma, tau value is you are taking from 0 Tau value is taking from tau. Tau value equal to taking from, sorry, t value take from tau. T equal to 1 t, 1 tau. T equal to 2 tau, t equal to 3 tau, t equal to 5 tau. Ala t value will be changing. So 0 and so on 5 tau. This is called, you are easily understand the transient response. In the above waveform of current flowing through the circuit, the transient response will present up to 5 time constants of 0, whereas the steady state response will present from 5 time constant onwards. So the thank you. So this is the